There you go.
That's what I use.
But
It's not wired.
Yep. No, I know.
yeah,
That's great. 17-pound test, double it back.
What do you use it for?
I like
Articulating flies.
Yeah.
but
It's limber.
I like
You got lots of movement. Okay, there's two trains of thought on wrapping lead. Either run a thread base first and then put your lead over the thread, and I do that occasionally, or put your lead, wrap your lead, and then run your thread base over the top of it. I find doing it without a thread base first, I can put my lead where I want it. Over a thread base, it doesn't like to slide. This is very simple. Hold your lead in your right hand, left-hander for our one individual here. Bring the lead under the hook. You've got a little short tag sticking out there. Hold that. Now wrap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to give it 6 wraps. Squeeze it together with your thumbnails. Again, remember that nice junk pair of scissors that you've gotten out of your wife's sewing kit. Cut this off. Now, as you can see, it slides. I want just a little bit larger free space at the front of this hook. I'm going to use half of that for my thread base and then leave my free space. Now, I start my thread up here in the front, as we always do.
No head cement?
Not yet. I'm going to slide. I've got my tag end of my waste of my material. I just pull it over the lead. Now, very carefully, so you don't spread the lead, go right over the top of it. Run your thread base. Back to, and I always like to give it some more. And that's how I do a wrapped base. Now that's a lot of lead. That's going to be very heavy. I'm just polishing off with the back of my old scissors those sharp points. I went the wrong way. My lead doesn't move. You could actually, at this point, if you so like, use a little head cement in there on the lead and the thread. I find it's not necessary because it won't slip. Questions? And from that point on, I got to pick up enough junk here for a tail. Anybody having trouble with the lead?
Yeah, that's what you sold with. What are we putting on next?
Well, then now just tie your tail. Everything's the same from here on out. Now, when you build your body, you'll notice you're going to get bigger, obviously, as you come to the eye of the hook.
Where do they start wedding disaster strips?
Nah.
You get a mouthful of rabbit.
Oh, you get a mouthful of rabbit fur.
I don't do that with. Well, it's tight. Should be that tight.
Just what I want. In the closet until they clean it.
This one you got out?
No. This one. The length one's
No, wait for you. You gotta go away from your
Get rid of this.
Getting you all nervous.
No.
I'll leave you alone.
Oh, where'd it go?
Going away.
How's it? You sure?
Feels a lot better now.
There you go. Back a little, you gotta go back a little more.
Oh, I got one.
Just tag it.
Do I need more?
Yep.
I do?
And you put about 6 wraps on it.
A little more chenille.
Tag it. You don't have to go ahead.
It's not long enough.
You need more chenille?
I'm gonna come behind and grab it.
Geez, I hope we got enough to do. Gee.
If we don't have enough, we'll send around to Orvis.
Not this one, but enough?
Oh, you need some, you need chenille.
Ron's got what we got left, geez. I hope we got enough.
This one might be.
Alright.
Need somebody else need more?
Need some.
Okay.
I don't even
I'd have known that.
Ow.
Something very damn good. Just want to make sure the hook is
One hand times space in the gap of the hook. You got
the eyeball.
And that was 2 rolls. That was 2 rolls.
Really?
big spice, bro.
I hope there's enough for one more fly.
Hmm?
You're tight. You're tight. You're tight.
What are you running short on?
Yeah. Chenille.
Chenille? Yeah, enough for mine.